Daily use English sentences in हिंदी। तुम बहुत बोलते हो। You speak a lot. You speak a lot. दूध फट गया है। Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour. अंदर कोई नहीं है। There is no one inside. There is no one inside. मुझे उससे मिलने जाना है। I have to go to meet her. I have to go to meet her. मैंने अभी कुछ तय नहीं किया है। I have not decided anything yet. I have not decided anything yet. दफ़ा हो जाओ। Get lost. Get lost. तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है। I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. तुम मुझे परेशान कर रहे हो। You are disturbing me. You are disturbing me. तुम मुझे परेशान क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you disturbing me? Why are you disturbing me? मेरे सामने अपनी आवाज़ मत उठाओ। Don't raise your voice before me. Don't raise your voice before me. दूसरों में दोष या बुराइयां ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop finding faults in others or stop picking out evil in others. Stop finding faults in others or stop picking out evil in others. आप मुझे सच क्यों नहीं बताते? Why don't you tell me the truth? Why don't you tell me the truth? क्या आप बोर नहीं होते? Don't you get bored? Don't you get bored? आप पूरे दिन घर पर रहकर बोर नहीं होते क्या? Don't you get bored staying at home all day? Don't you get bored staying at home all day? आपको किसी पर इतनी जल्दी भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए। You should not trust someone so soon. You should not trust someone so soon. आपको बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए। You should not go out. You should not go out. कुछ भी मत छिपाओ। Don't hide anything. Don't hide anything. माता पिता से कुछ भी न छिपाए। Don't hide anything from the parents. Don't hide anything from the parents. उसकी गलतियों को नज़रअंदाज न करें। Don't overlook her mistakes. Don't overlook her mistakes. क्या आप कुछ समय के लिए शांत रह सकते हैं? Can you stay quiet for a while? Can you stay quiet for a while? इतना शर्माओ मत। Don't be so shy. Don't be so shy. किसी को बताना मत। Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. इस बारे में किसी को मत बताना। Don't tell anyone about this. Don't tell anyone about this. मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आऊँगा। I will come after a while. I will come after a while. उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on her mind? What is going on her mind? मुझे इसे पूरा करना है। I have to get it done. I have to get it done. मुझसे बात करो। Talk to me. Talk to me. तुमसे कल बात करूँगा। Talk to you tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow. अपने दोस्तों से बात करो। Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends.